Hello viewers, last night I updated my iPad 10th generation to the latest stable version, that is Ipados 26.1. I think this is a great update. Actually, I saw improvements in my storage section. I can see that the available space has increased, and now the available space, as you can see here, is 26.22 GB, and the iPad OS is 12.5 GB and system data is 13.2 GB. And another update that might be helpful for you if you don't use liquid glass design too much. Now you can change the liquid glass effect by clicking on this tinted icon, and you can get a deeper or thicker skin. Some people like the liquid glass design and some people don't like this feature, so you can turn this feature on or off in display section. I think you will get better battery life in this Ipados 26.1 because there is no heating issue in this update. I can tell you about the SOT of this iPad 10th generation after this update after few days, after testing it thoroughly. Even multitasking and switching between apps seems to be very snappy, though it is a 60Hz display, yet there is no lag or jitteriness. In this liquid glass design, the notification panel actually looks very beautiful and people are liking my video, so you are requested to like this video also. After that, I tested InShot video editing app and I tried editing some footages, and there is minimum edit in these clips. I saw that there is no lag while scrolling through this timeline in the video editing app. You can edit your videos without any lag or stutter or any jitteriness. However, you can use any other app to edit your videos. iPads are great for those who want to edit videos. Actually, content creation is better on iPad compared to Android tablets. After editing these clips, I rendered the video in 1080p 60 fps, and there is minimum time that it has taken to render the video in 1080p 60 fps. Within 1 minute, I think it has rendered the whole video, and it is actually a 1 minute video, and I will show you the final output after editing this video or rendering into 1080p 60 fps. So this is the final output after rendering into 1080p 60 fps. You can see that there is no lag or any frame drops in this footages, and the video actually came out very well. So there is no problem in this update. I think this is a very good update. You can definitely update to the latest version of 26.1. because if you are facing any battery drainage issue in Ipados 26, this update will fix those issues. This is one of the most stable update that Apple has pushed. Now let me know in the comment section below if you have already updated to the latest version or not. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.